Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Nora. So we are going to do one of my most favorite types of writing activities, which is called a direct drawing. What that means is it just means that we are going to draw a picture and we're going to go step by step and we're going to do it together. I love these types of drawings because I'm not a great artist, so Miss Nora really has to have something to look at to do a good job. And with direct drawings, that's what we do. I have a picture, and then you're going to copy mine, and we do it step by step so that we do it together. So, those help me and they're going to help you. If you're an awesome artist, then yours is going to look fabulous no matter what. If you have a hard time drawing pictures, then this is going to be easier for you because we're going to go step by step and you're just going to copy what I do. So it's a great activity for everybody. So I'm using my computer, so it's a touch screen, so I'm actually going to be using my finger to draw. What I want you to do is get your paper and a pencil to do your drawing because yours is going to be easier to do on paper. It's a little bit tricky to draw a picture with your finger, so yours is probably going to look better than mine. All right, boys and girls, so we are going to do a direct drawing every day while we're doing our boot camp. Because I want us to just do the same drawing for the letter that we did that day. So earlier today, we did boot camp with the letter A. What sound? A. What sound? A. What sound? A. How do we write A? A. So we're going to do a picture of an animal that starts like A for alligator. All right, so you're going to do what I do. So I'm going to do it first, and then I want you to do it right after me, okay? All right, have your best listening ears on, eyes on the screen, and get your pencil ready. So I'm going to start with the alligator's head, and I'm just going to do, oops, let's try that again. I didn't have my pen ready. All right, now my pen is ready. I'm just going to do a circle for his head. Go ahead and do that on your paper. Give your alligator's head a circle. All right, good job. Now I'm going to come back behind the alligator and I'm going to give him an oval for his body. Go ahead and do that now. All right, now I'm going to go back to the top of the alligator's head and I'm going to give him what looks like an M. And then I'm going to go back inside that and do some smaller ones. All right, those are going to be his eyes. We'll come back to those in a little bit. So give them two big half circles and then go inside and do two little ones. All right, great job. Yours again is probably looking better than mine. It's kind of hard to draw with your finger. All right, I'm going to go to the back end of my oval, back by his bottom. And I'm going to do his tail. I'm going to come up, curve down, and curve back into his body. Go ahead and do that now for his tail. All right, good job. I'm going to go back to the alligator's head, and this time I'm going to do two small circles for his nose, and then I'm going to do some zigzags for his mouth. Go ahead and do that now. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to come down under my oval at the bottom part of his body where his legs would be. He needs 4 legs, so I'm going to do 1. Go ahead and do his leg. All right, I'm going to do a second one, number 2. Go ahead and do his second leg. All right, I'm going to do another one right beside it. 3. Go ahead and do his third leg. And his last leg, 4. All right, boys and girls, now I'm going to come back and he's got some little circles on his body here. Go ahead and do some circles on his body there, some spots. All right, kiss your brain. You did an awesome job. Now I'm going to come back to his eyes and I'm going to color it in black. So you can get your black crayon and color in his black if you have one. If not, you can just color it in with a pencil. All right, now it's going to be a little tricky for me to color his body on here with my finger. So it may not look wonderful, but I just want you to try. I want you to do your best. So now I'm going to take my green crayon and I'm going to go back through and I'm going to color. I'm not going to do his spots, okay? But I'm going to go color his body green. So go ahead and get your green and color his body green. Let me see. I need to move my box just a little bit so I can get to my tool here. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go back in. Now remember, Miss Nora's trying to have to do this with her finger, so it's not going to look as good as it could if I were doing it on paper. Alright, so I'm going to color his body green. I'm not going to do the spots just yet. I'm going to color around the spots as best I can. Alright, I'm going to go get his body. Oop! Oh! Okay, see, I made a mistake. See, it's okay. I made a mistake too. I went too fast. All right, I'm going to color in his tail here. Color that in. Green. All right, I want to color in his face, but I don't want to color over his nose. I'm going to go around it. Let's see if I can go around it. There we go. All right, you should be coloring your alligator green along with me. All right, yours is going to look better. Mine's not going to look great right now, but I'm trying my best. All right, I want to color in here. And I also want to get his feet, his legs. So you're coloring your alligator green. I'll give you some time for that. All right, Miss Nora's going to stop right there before I make it worse. Let me see if I can get this a little bit better. All right, so you color in your alligator green. And then for his spots, on mine, it has orange. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to change my color to orange. And I'm going to go in and color his spots orange. All right, I'm going to give you about another minute to finish up. And then we have to write the word oops. Sorry, boys and girls. We have to write the word alligator. Sorry about that. Okay. I was trying to click on my pen and clicked on the wrong thing. All right, I'm going to give you about another minute. Finish coloring your alligator. Okay, again, it's a little harder for me because I'm using my finger. All right, if you're not done, that's okay. Finish up. I'm going to go ahead and start writing the word alligator, and then you can copy it. All right, boys and girls, so I need your help. Help me write the word alligator. Listen to the first sound. Alligator. What letter should I use for a? An A. Very good. All right, so I'm going to do my A. Owl. What letter do you think I'm going to use next for L? L. Good job. I'm actually going to do two L's. Owl. I. Do you remember what letter says I? I. Okay. A-L-L-I. G. 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 A. T. O. R. Alligator. A. L. L. I. G. A. T. O. R. I want you to try to write the word alligator as best you can. It's okay if you can't write it perfect. I don't want perfect. I just want your best. So you're going to try to copy the word alligator on your paper as well. I'll give you another minute to go ahead and do that. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. All right, boys and girls, what sound does alligator start with? What sound? Ah. What sound? Ah. What sound? Ah. How do we write ah? A. So today's direct drawing for A was alligator. All right, boys and girls, so you have drawn your picture on paper. What I want you to do now is you're going to go into Seesaw, back into Seesaw. You've watched this video. We've done it together. I want you to go in. You're going to go back to this little activity, and you're going to click Add Response. You're going to click the green Add Response, and you're going to take a picture of your drawing and send it to me so I can see the awesome alligators. Boys and girls, I have no doubt in my mind that your alligators are going to look even better than mine. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see them. Bye.